everything I thought, everything I wrote down came true. I was not that much of a believer of law of attraction, but it does work. Like after almost 8 years of trying law of attraction, trying different techniques, different ways of doing law of attraction, I finally can say that yes, now I can use law of attraction to achieve my goal. Any goal. Yes. Earlier I used to think that law of attraction is about techniques, finding the right technique for you. I thought that is law of attraction. Like you have to try different techniques, and from that you will get one technique that will work for you, but it doesn't work like that. After so many years I have realized that law of attraction is same. It is a law. There are no technique, there are no easy ways. It is all about frequency. No technique, nothing is important. Everything is based on frequency. And if you really look at it, the whole universe is based on frequency. Everything is frequency. Our emotions are frequency. That's why law of attraction is nothing but a way to communicate with the universe through our emotions, because our emotions are the frequency. These techniques, 369, scripting, visualization, vision board creation, 1111 technique, these are just techniques, and these actually do not help in law of attraction. What really helps is managing your frequency, how you actually feel, and changing your frequency time to time. That is where actual law of attraction starts working. That's what I have realized after all those 8 years of crying, of being suicidal, of trying so much, so many things, and doing so much, wasting so much time. This is the final thing that I have realized. Law of attraction is just changing your frequency. And now I have never imagined this, that I will see these results. One of the results that I saw that was totally unimaginable for me is that just 3 months before, 3 months before I was directionless. I started a business 6 months ago. It went decent for 3 months, and then it finally failed. I made around 10,000 rupees from it, 10 to 12,000 rupees, and that was it. And so just 3 months before, like in January and February, I was totally devastated and depressed because I was directionless. I had no skill because I have never worked on anything else other than business. So I had no, and I am from a computer background. I am doing bachelor's in computer sciences. So all of my friends were preparing for a job, for taking for and applying for interviews, and I had no skill because I never prepared for that. And 3 months before, I was so frustrated and fed up with these things, and I was so desperate. Like I want to create a new business in next 3 months, and I don't know how it will happen, but it will happen. This is the mentality. This mentality you should also keep in your mind. Set a goal and say, I don't know how it will happen, but it will happen. Okay. So I was so desperate to make another business and make it work. So I made a goal. I was so angry and desperate that I wrote an unimaginable goal. It was so unimaginable for me. I wrote that as of now, my first business is failed. Now I have to start a second business, and in next 3 months, when I will graduate, I want to make more than 1 lakh per month consistently from my business. And instead of sitting for an interview in my college placements, I will go as a recruiter and hire my friends as employees for my business. This was my goal. I was thinking, okay, it doesn't matter if it will happen or not. The only thing that matters is, by writing this goal on my diary, I feel happy, I feel hopeful, and at that time hope was the most important thing for me. I wrote that goal, and now after 3 months, last month, I made more than 1 lakh in 7 days from my new business, and I hired 2 of my friends as employees. But the important part comes now. The law of attraction worked. Okay, I made 1 lakh rupees. I hired my friends as employees in my business, but I was not able to maintain it. Like previous month, I cost more than 1 lakh from the business. This month, I may not be able to cross 1 lakh, but I think the law of attraction actually worked, but my sustaining frequency was not good enough. That is why I was not able to keep it, and I am pretty sure now I can easily block 1 to 2 lakhs in the next month. So I will do law of attraction and maintain my sustaining frequency as well. So that is the thing. The law of attraction really works. And one more thing, if I find the result of that picture that I have wrote down, how much revenue, how much profit I want to do, then I will put here somewhere in the video. So in that picture, I wrote down 30,000 profit per month. It was very starting, it was very beginning, like I think it was 6 or 7 months or 8 months back. I wrote that number down, and from my first business, I achieved that number. We made 30,000 and 15,000 was my profit, and I got 15,000 out of the whole 30,000 that we have clocked from that business. So that also worked out. But again, the sustaining frequency was not that good. That's why I was not able to maintain it and scale it. And I have to start a second business. And I am very grateful that first business really failed, because that business wasn't failed, I was never able to start this business, and this is the one that I really like. So yeah, things went pretty bad as well, and these are going pretty good as well. So what lesson should you learn from this video? I think no one talks about this, but the only lesson that you should learn from this video is don't focus on techniques while trying law of attraction. Don't focus on 369 technique, scripting technique, visualization, vision board, affirmation. Don't focus on these techniques. Focus on managing your frequency, how you feel. That is more important. You should have whole control on how you feel at any particular time, because universe doesn't care about your techniques. The universe can only understand your emotions, your frequency, because universe talks in frequency, universe talks in emotions. So you should keep that in mind. Work on your frequency. Don't go behind techniques, because they will not work. I have tried techniques for more than 7 years of my life and nothing worked. Alright. And in the last 1 year, when I finally got this thing, when I finally actually cracked and learned law of attraction, realized how it actually worked, that frequency is the main thing, then everything started clicking. Everything worked out. It took time, took some months. Like, I have set my goal on the first month, and after 6 months or after 3 months it worked out, but it did. So that is very important. Keep that in mind. Don't go behind techniques, go behind frequency. Manage your frequency. So what do you have to do? Find a technique that helps you in maintaining higher level of frequency. Like, let me give an example. If you want to manifest money, okay, like money is the most important thing. So if you want to manifest money, so try a technique that after performing that technique, your money frequency get uplifted, you feel rich, and you get sustained results. Like, when you try the technique and after 2-3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours or 24 hours, that effect of the technique is on you and your frequency is maintained. Always remember, the frequency on which you vibrate on is the frequency that you will attract. Okay, everything that is going in your life is your choice. It was never coincidental, it was never random, it was all what you attracted. Every bad thing that happened in your life, every good thing that happened in your life, even your parents, your husband, your girlfriend, everything is attracted by you. You cannot say that why God, why me. These are the things that you have attracted by your frequency, because you have maintained that low level of frequency, and because of that low level of frequency, low level of circumstances, situations get attracted to you. If you can maintain your frequency higher, you try techniques that helps you maintaining your frequency higher, and you will attract higher level of things, higher level of situations, or coincidences, serendipities. All these things started happening, and you will attract those things. Care about your frequency, not about technique.